Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to day 4 of our Sattvik Cooking and Baking Week. This afternoon we have Cheryl, who's going to be going over the recipe of the pecan toffee bars, the recipe of which you'll find in your slip covers and little binders tomorrow. We're really happy to have her here and offering us her time and sharing with us her little, maybe a little bit of knowledge of the way she bakes. And Cheryl, how long have you been baking?
For 40 years.
For 40 years. That's not a small number, not 40, like Jackie Carter, 50 years. That's a long time to be baking. And how did you first start baking? Grandmother, mother, or
My
just
aunt and my grandmother, yes.
your aunt or grandmother? And do you remember any of like the first things that you started baking with them in the kitchen? Was it
Pie crust.
Pie crust.
Pie crust.
You started off with pie crust. Cookies is one thing, but pie crust is a whole other kettle of fish. Oh my God,
It
really?
is with my aunt, yes. Very meticulous. Everything's laid out, the counter's clean, and just roll a certain way. And
Oh, fantastic. So that's how we got so lucky, I guess, because the pecan toffee bars, I believe, do have a bit of a crust on the bottom, like a thin layer of shortbread. And I think that's one of the items I know that makes everybody smile and makes their tongues water. So, and what would you say a couple of your favorite things to bake are? Like certain all-time favorites? Family favorites, or yours, like what you enjoy doing the most? Can you think of any, Dave?
well, definitely these, the pecan bars.
The pecan bars,
Definitely,
okay.
yeah. I mean, wherever I bring them, it's like, you
Always
gotta
a
make them
hit.
again, yes.
Sweet.
Like I said, pies, I started with apple pie. I mean, people,
Love the apple pie.
yeah, when I had
We
the
never
deli,
got
that's what I
those.
did, apple pies, muffins.
We never got those.
Thanksgiving's coming.
Thanksgiving, there you go. Thanksgiving.
She used to bring
blueberry muffins.
And blueberry muffins, I don't think, did we?
She used to bring us our muffins.
Oh, maybe, Mandir, you guys had those up when you guys were building Namaste, right?
Listen, I'm telling you,
I think
we
so.
had our eye on the hammer and nail, but the road too. Cheryl coming
What did
today,
you bring today?
so she brought us, we ate very well.
And what would you say are like some of your like secret things with baking, like secret tips to people who have never like baked before? Would you say like in
Have
terms
all
of-
your ingredients laid out, and then as you put them in, put it aside so you know you have it in the bowl.
Okay,
And
so
everything's
exactly
precise measurement, so you just cut it off flat with a knife,
Okay,
and then
and
that's
always
what
like
baking
fresh
is.
ingredients and
Mhm.
okay. Yeah, lovely. So is everybody ready to go to the kitchen? No, Cheryl is. Okay, so we'll all join Cheryl in the kitchen now for our afternoon baking.
She's a great musician. She's so scared to hear.